The Earth needs moving. CASE is the power you want by your side. Our CX220C LCHD offers a 4% higher fuel efficiency and a 117 kilowatt FPT 6-cylinder engine. The 1.9 meter dipper arm creates a 10% higher breakout force for greater digging ability. CASE cabs boast low noise, low vibration, and a 7-inch LCD monitor for real-time parameter monitoring. With its robust design, 3 available power modes, and matched durability, trust is paramount. CASE is the answer to every worksite's need.